Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this giant behind a person edit in Picsart. So I'll just be using this photo here, that's what I meant, of like the streets. You can use any background that you'd like to, but I'm just going to use this one. Okay, then I'm going to add this giant like behind here. Just going to make it a little bit out here smaller, actually, even though it's a giant. Sorry about the like image, by the way. And I'll add in like a person in front here, and I'm going to make sure it's a little bit proportionate. Just going to select the giant here, and I'm just going to go to the erase tool. And I'm just going to select the tool here, and I'm just going to also adjust the hardness, and I'm going to adjust the size. I'm going to only like show like just like a part of her upper body, and I'm just going to like apply. Just going to place it down a little bit here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!